Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Date. Today, I will walk you through setting up futures trading with BloFin. Futures trading can be a powerful tool for maximizing profits, but it requires a solid setup to get started. First, sign up for a BloFin account or log into your existing one. Ensure your account is verified to access futures trading features. Next, deposit funds into your BloFin account. Here you will need sufficient capital to open futures positions. So choose a funding method that works best for you. So once your account is funded, go to the futures trading section and here you can view different futures contracts available for trading. So to place a futures order, select your preferred contract and choose between a market limit or stop order. Enter the details including the contract size and leverage, then confirm your order. So after your order is filled, manage your position by setting stop loss and take profit levels. Regularly monitor the market and adjust your strategy as needed. And that is how you set up futures trading with BloFin. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.